Have you ever walked into a large shopping mall, hospital, airport, or office building and felt a comfortable temperature and fresh air inside? Even when outside conditions are completely different. That comfort is not accidental. It is controlled by a key HVAC system called the air handling unit, commonly known as AHU. In this video, we are going to completely break down the AHU in a simple engineering way. We will cover: what is AHU actually? What does the term AHU mean? What is its purpose in HVAC systems? Where is it used? And how does it work step by step? By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how AHU controls air inside modern buildings. What is an AHU? AHU stands for Air Handling Unit. An air handling unit is a central HVAC device designed to condition and circulate air throughout a building. Rather than generating cooling or heating by itself, the AHU prepares the air before delivering it to occupied spaces. Its primary functions include drawing in outdoor fresh air, receiving return air from the building, filtering airborne contaminants, cooling or heating the air, controlling humidity when required, supplying conditioned air through ductwork. You can think of the AHU as the lungs of a building. Just as our lungs filter and circulate air through our bodies, an AHU continuously processes and distributes clean, conditioned air throughout the building. What is the term used for an air handling unit? The standard term used is Air Handling Unit AHU. However, in the HVAC industry, engineers may also refer to AHU as the following: air handler, air processing unit, air conditioning unit, in some informal cases, central air distribution unit. But in technical engineering documentation, the correct and official term is always AHU, Air Handling Unit. It is a critical part of HVAC systems defined in building services engineering. What is the purpose of an AHU? The primary purpose of an AHU is to create a healthy, comfortable, and energy-efficient indoor environment. Let's look at its main objectives. 1. Providing fresh air. People need oxygen-rich air to stay healthy and comfortable. An AHU continuously introduces fresh outdoor air into the building to maintain good indoor air quality. 2. Filtering the air. Before air reaches occupants, it passes through one or more filters. These filters remove dust, pollen, smoke particles, and other contaminants. Cleaner air improves both occupant comfort and the performance of HVAC equipment. 3. Temperature control. The AHU works with cooling and heating coils to maintain the desired indoor temperature. In summer, it cools the air. In winter, it can warm the air. 4. Humidity control. Some buildings require precise humidity control. The AHU can reduce humidity through cooling or increase humidity using a humidifier. Proper humidity improves comfort and protects equipment, products, and building materials. 5. Air distribution. Finally, the AHU distributes conditioned air evenly through the duct system to every occupied space. This ensures consistent comfort throughout the building. Where are AHUs used? Because AHUs handle large volumes of air, they are commonly installed in medium to large-sized buildings. Some typical applications include office buildings. Office workers spend many hours indoors, so maintaining a comfortable temperature and good air quality is essential. Shopping malls. Shopping malls have large open spaces with many visitors. AHUs provide continuous cooling, ventilation, and air circulation. Hospitals. Hospitals require strict control of temperature, humidity, and air cleanliness. Specialized AHUs help reduce airborne contaminants and support infection control. Hotels. Hotels rely on AHUs to provide a comfortable environment for guests in public areas and guest rooms. Airports. Airports have massive indoor spaces with constantly changing occupancy levels. Large AHUs help maintain consistent indoor conditions. Schools and universities. Educational buildings benefit from good ventilation because fresh air improves concentration and learning. Industrial facilities. Some manufacturing processes require controlled temperature, humidity, and air cleanliness. AHUs play a vital role in these environments. Now let's briefly look at how an AHU works. First, outdoor fresh air enters the AHU through the fresh air intake. At the same time, return air from inside the building flows back into the AHU. Inside the mixing box, fresh air and return air are combined in the proper ratio. The mixed air then passes through filters, where dust and other particles are removed. Next, the air flows across a cooling coil or heating coil, depending on the building's requirements. Some AHUs also include humidifiers to maintain proper humidity levels. After the air has been cleaned and conditioned, a supply fan pushes it through the duct system. Finally, the conditioned air enters occupied spaces through supply diffusers. After circulating through the rooms, the air returns to the AHU, where the cycle repeats continuously. This continuous process keeps the building comfortable while maintaining good indoor air quality and energy efficiency. We will cover this working principle in much greater detail in a dedicated video. Let's quickly summarize today's lesson. An AHU, or air handling unit, is one of the most important components of an HVAC system. Its main purpose is to filter, condition, and distribute air throughout a building. AHUs are commonly used in offices, hospitals, hotels, shopping malls, airports, schools, and industrial facilities. Although the AHU doesn't generate cooling or heating itself, it works together with chillers, boilers, pumps, and control systems to provide a comfortable, healthy, and energy-efficient indoor environment. Understanding the basics of an AHU is the first step toward mastering HVAC engineering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future HVAC engineering tutorials. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at the working principle of an AHU, explaining every component step by step, from the fresh air intake all the way to the supply air outlet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.